Hello and welcome to Times of India News Capsule. I am Chaitanya Deshpande and today I am in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS Nagpur, and I am standing in a special, first of its kind forensic museum in AIIMS Nagpur. With me is Dr. Mandar Sane. He is from the of forensic medicine in AIIMS, and he will be telling us about this unique museum. It's first of its kind museum started by AIIMS Nagpur. Over to Dr. Sane.
Welcome to Department of Forensic Medicine, and we have developed here a museum which is first of its kind in central India, and the museum caters to the academic needs of not only the MBBS students but also for the MD students, PhD scholars, the law students, police officers, medical officers from whole of the central India. And I can show you some of the sections of the museum here. Here we have the wet specimens which depict various pathologies in forensic medicine. For example, these specimens, they demonstrate various poisons. These are vegetable poisons which if consumed it can cause the death of a person. Similarly, we have some photographs here. These photographs, they show some rare cases of autopsies which we have done over a period of time, and it is very useful, as we say that a photo will say 1,000 words. So even if we study the photos which are rare, it will definitely add to the academic interest of the students. And as you can see, there are various organs which depict some rare cases. For example, this is a case of a brain which shows some hemorrhage over it, and this person has died because of head injury. Then this museum, it also has sections regarding various poisons. So these poisons are routinely encountered poisons which can be administered accidentally, homicidally or suicidally. And if the students, they learn these poisons, it will definitely help in the life-saving measures and medico-legal aspects of various poisons. Then these are various kinds of weapons. These weapons are commonly used to kill another person or to assault another person, and we need to teach these weapons to students so that they can examine these weapons for a court of law. So these are various sections of this museum, and another interesting section of the museum, that is the wound man.
Yes, that is.
And
This,
wound man, I will just show you regarding the wound man.
we are heading towards a unique statue. This is a statue of wound man, and Dr. Sane will tell us about it now.
Now this is the iconic statue of wound man, and you can see various weapons which are being stabbed or being hit over the surface of the wound man, and it shows various kind of injuries possible by various kinds of weapons. So even though it may appear like a violent thing, but for a MBBS student, this is a very important statue to learn about various injuries possible by various kinds of weapons. So this is the wound man, which is not present anywhere in India. At best of my knowledge, this is the only statue in India depicting this various kind of weapons and injuries.
Okay. So thank you, Dr. Sane.
Welcome.
And it was a very pleasure to visit this unique kind of museum. I am Chaitanya from Times of India Nagpur, and you are watching Times of India News Capsule. Thank you.